it's Mona here at Craft Clutch, and I have a fun video for us today. I am doing a collab with my friend Chaz from Chaz's Crazy Creations. And if you don't know Chaz, you need to get to know her because she is a master crafter. And we are doing a challenge. It's a Valentine's Day challenge. The rules of the challenge are pretty simple. It has to be a Valentine's Day theme. We have to spend less than $10 at the Dollar Tree, and we can supplement it with items that we have in our craft room. Like I'm going to supplement it with some paint, some Mod Podge, some glitter, and some glue. So just some of the basic stuff. Everything else is from the Dollar Tree, and I think we gotta get started. All right, let's get to it. I have a plate, a cake pan, cake topper, and hearts. I quick painted the cake pan with a matte black spray paint that I had on hand. First thing I'm starting with is one of these sturdy plates from the Dollar Tree. It's just a clear glass plate. And I'm just gonna take some rubbing alcohol and a paper towel and just clean off the area that I'm gonna be working on. I have this plastic cake topper that I'm going to put on the back side, and that way you can see through it. Now, I don't want that stem to be there, so I'm gonna have to remove that. I'm gonna try to carefully score the plastic here. Now I'm gonna take some of my clear drying Mod Podge, and I'm going to just brush it right onto here. This is the glossy stuff. I'll have it linked in the description below so you know which one to get. So if you can be neat about it, that would be better. Get it to the edge here. And now I'm gonna try to center it. Press it down, try to get it centered. See how it looks, we'll flip it. And you can see when you're squishing it down, like any bubbles that might be in there, that you just push it down and they kind of just get right out of there. And then we know we have a nice seal too. And I'm gonna go simple on this. I'm working just on one of their pizza pans. Catch any excess glitter, but I'm going to just sprinkle silver glitter, fine glitter, on the back. Now we've got Happy Valentine's Day on there. And if you missed any spots, now's a good time to find them. Or if you went too far in a spot, you can wipe it off. Now that the top is over there drying, I'm gonna take some more of my Mod Podge. I'm gonna throw some of that same fine glitter in there. I'm gonna mix it up. And I'm gonna brush it right on here. This will help hide any of the flaws that you might have on the back of the plate. Once that's on there, I'm gonna just place this down right on here, and that will help with some of the edges that may not have been perfect before. Now I'm gonna wanna let this dry for a while. I just wanted to show you this super cute ribbon they also had at Dollar Tree, and I wasn't planning on using it on this project, but I'm going to because I need to clean up this edge a little bit. It still doesn't look good enough. I'm gonna put just a little dab of hot glue on this partial heart, add it down here, just a little bit that you won't really hardly even notice. And I'm gonna just wind this around, and I'm gonna trim it right here. Add another dab of the hot glue. Keep it tight, make sure everything's where it should be before I stick it on there. Just like that. There we go. Now I have a cute little heart border, and it hides the imperfections of the glitter. And now that my hot glue is hot, I'm gonna take a little dab, and I'm gonna start with the red, and I'm just gonna go around the edge and then add it to the edge, right to the lip, right across. And I could keep with the red. Some people are gonna like the red better, some are gonna like the pink better. And then I'll do the pink in between also, just cause I like the pink. So there's our cake platter. Look at that, how cute is that? And then we got the hearts on the side, and we could put cupcakes, a cake, whatever you want on here. Once it's dry, it's good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed the project, and if you haven't yet, be sure to go check out Chaz's project and see what she made. I know it's gonna be amazing. So thanks for being here, and remember, life's too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye guys.